Hi, next topic is on finding out the number of genotypes. Genotypes കണ്ടെത്തുന്ന ഒരു equations ആണ് നമ്മൾ ഇനി ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. It's a very simple process. Multiple alleles എന്ന് പറയുന്ന deviation from mentalismത്തിലെ ഒരു ടോപ്പിക് ആണ് multiple alleles. As we know all, what do you mean by multiple alleles? Multiple alleles ഒരു എക്സാമ്പിൾ ആണ് ABO blood groups. ABO blood group. സാധാരണയായിട്ട് a single gene has two alleles, but in the case of ABO blood group, the blood group controlled by the gene I, it has two alleles, namely IA, IB, and small I. So how many genotypes are possible from these three alleles? Normally, a single gene has two alleles, either dominant or recessive. But in the case, the blood group is controlled by a gene called capital I, which has two alleles IA, IB, and small I. So a total number of 6 genotypes are possible from these three alleles. For finding out the total number of genotypes produced, we have an equation called n into n plus 1 by 2. This equation is obtained from the mathematics, where n is equal to number of alleles. For example, in the case of ABO blood group, the gene capital I has 3 alleles, namely IA, IB, and small I. So n is equal to 3. So 3 into 3 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 12 by 2 is equal to 6. So total number of 6 genotypes are possible for blood group. What are the 6 genotypes for the case of blood group? Let us discuss. There are 4 blood group A, B, AB, and O. In the case of I, we can predict the genotype might be IA, IA, or IA small I. Here IB, IB, or IB, I. Here IA, IB, here small I, small I. So total number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 genotypes are possible from these 3 alleles. So for finding out the number of genotypes, we have an equation called n into n plus 1 by 2, where n is equal to number of alleles. Let us discuss another example. If a character is controlled by a gene, it has 4 alleles. 4 alleles. We can find out the total number of genotypes can be obtained from the 4 alleles. We can apply the equation n into n plus 1 by 2, where n is equal to 4. So 4 into 4 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 4 into 5 divided by 2 is equal to 20 by 2 is equal to 10 possible genotypes are there. Thank you very much. So remind the equation for finding out the total number of genotype n into n plus 1 by 2. Thank you.